The query Hmong in 500 likely refers to the discovery of a 500-year-old population in Guangxi, China, that contributed to the ancestry of modern Hmong Mien groups in the same region. Specifically, the Gaohuahua population in Guangxi was found to have ancestry related to the Dushan and Bushan groups, as well as Northeast Asian-related Shandong ancestry, according to a 2021 study on the Hmong people. By 600 AD, local matters were left to Hmong to decide, although they technically paid taxes to the Chinese Empire and were subject to Chinese law. China attempts to annihilate the Hmong culture and assimilate all Hmong to Chinese culture, as part of a larger campaign to subdue all ethnic minorities. The year 700 is likely not a significant year in Hmong history. The Hmong people, also known as the Miao, have a history spanning over 4,000 years, originating in China. Hmong communities began migrating to Southeast Asia and other parts of the world, like the United States, beginning in the 1800s. In 800, the Hmong people were likely still residing in their ancestral homelands in China. While the Hmong have a long history in China, with documented accounts dating back to 2700 BC, information about their specific situation in the year 800 is limited. Stanford University research notes that the Hmong were known to be a non-literate society, with oral traditions being passed down from generation to generation. In 1000, the Hmong people, also known as the Miao, have a long history, with the earliest written accounts indicating their presence in China since 2700 BC. By 1000, they were likely already established in various regions of China and had begun their migrations south into Southeast Asia, including present-day Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar. The Hmong have a strong cultural identity and a unique history of migration and adaptation, which is reflected in their customs and traditions, including the Hmong New Year, which is celebrated annually and has origins dating back to the Song dynasty from 960 to 1279.